Hello, my name is Gloria, and this presentation is on planned project control. The purpose of this assignment is to obtain planned project duration, to calculate the rate of performance of the project, to calculate the schedule overrun and budget overrun at the end of the project, and also to monitor the progress of the project. To begin the assignment, insert the table of activities and precedence into your project management software. When working with project management software, the best way to obtain your Gantt chart is to first create a schedule of your activities. On this table, we see that we have the planned duration, the start date, and the finish date. This will help us generate a Gantt chart. Once you're done creating your schedule, you will see a screen like this. You will have your Gantt chart on the right and your main activities on the left. The next thing to do is to find your critical pathway. One of the purposes of this assignment is to find the planned duration or the planned length of schedule. To find this, we add the total number of weeks on the column of the planned duration and subtract the total number of weeks not on the critical path. From our calculation, we find out that the total number of weeks under the column of the planned duration is 17 weeks, and the total number of weeks not on the critical path, that is activity C and G, is 5 weeks. With this calculation, our planned duration is 12 weeks. Rate of performance is the actual work completed divided by the percentage of work planned to have been completed. On the activity table, planned duration for activities A and B, since they are the two main activities that can be found on the critical pathway and have also been completed, is equal to 2 weeks plus 1 week, which we will get 3 weeks in total. On the table also, we see the completion duration of these two activities, that is activities A and B, is equal to 4 weeks plus 2 weeks, which will give us a total of 6 weeks. This 6 weeks is the actual work completed so far. Therefore, the rate of performance is equal to 6 weeks divided by 3 weeks, multiplied by 100%. 6 weeks divided by 3 weeks will give us 2. We will then multiply this 2 by 100 to get the rate of performance, which will give us 200%. We are going to calculate for the estimated project end. The estimated project end is planned duration multiplied by the rate of performance. From our previous equations, we got 12 weeks for planned duration and 2 for rate of performance. Note that we are not using the percentage of the rate of performance, which is 200%. This is because we are trying to find the estimated project end. So we are going to use the number we derived by dividing 6 weeks by 3 weeks when we were calculating for the rate of performance, which is 2. Estimated project end will then be 12 weeks multiplied by 2, which will give us 24 weeks. Note that the estimate assumes that we continue to perform the rest of the tasks of the project at the current rate at which we used to complete activities A and B. By doing so, the project will last 2 times longer than the original duration plan. The final activity we're going to perform for this assignment is to find the scheduled overrun and the budget overrun. To calculate for schedule overrun, we are going to need the estimated project end and the planned duration. Schedule overrun is equal to estimated project end minus planned duration. We already know that estimated project end is 24 weeks and planned duration is 12 weeks. So the total for schedule overrun will be 12 weeks. For budget overrun, we cannot determine this as there was no actual budget data given on the completed activities A, B, and C. What we've learned so far from this assignment. We've learned that project control helps us monitor and measure project performance, track budgets and delays of projects, compare the initial plan of a project to the actual outcome of the project, and also project control helps us see areas within a project that needs extra attention. Thank you very much. This is the end of the presentation.